Hey, welcome back to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and today I have another Amazon Firestick tutorial. And in this one, I'm going to show you how to fix the new App Store version required on the Firestick. So if you're getting this error message, the first thing you'd want to do is head to your Amazon Firestick settings. And you get this by coming all the way right to this little cog icon here. Then we want to come down to My Fire TV. Now you want to go into About, here at the very top. Then you want to come down and select Install Update. You want to make sure your Firestick is fully up to date. Now, once you've checked that, the next step is to come back into the main settings. Then come up to Applications. Then down to App Store, and you want to make sure automatic updates are turned on. I don't like it on sometimes, however, if you're getting this issue, I would turn it on, and this will update the apps without you having to do anything. So if the app needs an update, it should automatically update and you shouldn't see that message. So make sure you turn this on if you're getting that issue. Now come back into the main settings. Then come back to My Fire TV, and then try restarting your Firestick, and hopefully that should kick everything into place. It should kick them updates into place and things like that. So now if you're still getting the issue, once you've restarted, find the application that is causing you issues, whichever way you want to do that, either directly here. So let's say Plex is causing us issues. Let's select it with the three little lines. Then select uninstall, then uninstall again. I don't want to uninstall it at the moment, but that's what you'd need to do. Then try and reinstall it, and hopefully if no updates have been added, it should kick them updates into place and an updated version of Plex if that was causing you issues, or whichever app it is. So there are a few practical ways how to fix that error. So I hope that helps you out. If it does, don't forget, smash the like, smash the subscribe for many more Firestick tutorials like this one. And most of all, thanks ever so much for watching.